Hello my friends, I really hope you had good Christmas time and I want to wish you Happy New Year. And now let's discuss the new year, what is awaiting for us. I have really big plans for our group. I really truly want the group to be the best in terms of trading education and also the trades you take and so on. I think the most important step right now is to build a web page, also with payment methods, because not all people can pay with cryptocurrencies. So this is really important goal. So also to put all education together, because our Discord is really big and wide now, so many sections. So it's gonna make life a lot easier for people, especially for new people who are joining. And I think it's gonna be the best to do like packages, or like sections, like when you click, if you want to be a scalper, if you want to be day trader, and if you want to be hodl and swing trader. And as we grow as a group, we can have the separate section for this. So when we discuss trading ideas, you know you are in a scalper section, and you know you are in a day trader section and so on. But for this we need a lot more people, so it's for now, yeah, we will wait when the group is bigger. I don't care actually for the size of the group, we are already decent. But I want to focus on quality, not quantity of the people. I might even limit new people joining in the future when it's too mainstream or something like that. So if you are in the group, you should be considered very lucky. And if you are a new person joining, you should do it now, because it's still good time for you. And you know, I want to show you the next year thousands of good trades. You know, I will be sharing, which I will be taking myself. The next year my plan is to be very active scalping trader, very active. So it will be my last year as very active scalping trader, yeah. Because from 2023 I want to be more as a day trader, because scalping, the purpose of scalping, it is harder than day trading and swing trading, but it's also growing your equity much faster, yeah. So that's my goal, you know. I want to still and I want people to learn directly from my trading setups, yeah. I always said this is not a trading group, but I think it's much better than a signal group is much better than signal group, because you are getting my ideas when I want to enter and why I want to enter. It's so important for you, you know, so you can learn directly how to think about it, you know, how to think about the trade, to know the context, yeah. So yes, those are the plans. It will be even better trading year than this one. And also I find out I'm workaholic, yeah, to be honest. I am actually addicted to trading. It's very hard to take a break from trading for me. But when I do take holiday, I think it's much better for my performance and better trading ideas. So I will definitely take few holidays next year. It's getting me refreshed for all of you. So even now, I said I will be not trading much from 20th of December to end of the year. It's your time for family, you know, and you should use this time well for your family and friends. Anyway, I'm already back because the Bitcoin volatility is fantastic, and we will go over it right now. It's gonna be not so long video. I just want to show you the first trade idea we had after some time, and also all trades I took. It was not so many, but it was more day trades, and now I'm in a bigger position scalp. So yep, let's go over it. So, and also to sum up things, I'm in contact with many members in the group. The group is doing really well. We have some traders who already are full-time traders, and they made it, you know, they are profitable traders. And now we have people who are still learning, and also we have people who liquidated account. It is happening, it is still happening. It is part of the learning process. So while you learn, you should do not use full capital for trading. So always use much smaller of your total available capital, like 10 to 30%, and yes, it's important, because sooner or later you might get account liquidated first time, and it is gonna be a big lesson for you. Also, the second issue people facing is getting trapped in positions. This also needs to be sorted out. Always write me or coaches or ask in the group, because when you get trapped in the position, it's problem of your ego to admit loss, or you do not have clear invalidation for your trading. So you need to have really prepared stop loss for each trade. Before you enter to the trade, you must have a big trading plan in your mind. Why you entering, where you want to take loss, where is your stop loss, and also what is your take profit area, and so on. You cannot just blindly enter because it's stronger level, because market can still go down over it or up over it. So that's the problem, and that's, I think, the biggest issue I see in the group when people getting trapped. And so do not do it, because it will not end well. In bull market was much more merciful to trap traders, especially to long traders. It usually you got out, but now it doesn't matter if it's bull market, bear market. For me, it's just range at the moment. You don't need to know. But if you make mistake here and get trapped, market can rotate full range fully and can destroy you. So be very careful. Do not do it. You must take the loss. Even smaller loss is fine than the 50% on account or liquidation. All your hard progress you are doing can be, with these mistakes, can be wrecked in very short time. Also, if you know you are already winning over market, you come next day and you will make the money back. Yeah, because you trust your strategy. The strategy we use is a very, very strong strategy at the moment. It was, even I improved in the group a lot in this year. My win rate was already above 80%, 75-80%, and now it's very close to 90%, to be honest. You can see that in my posts when I share the trade. It's usually winning trade and high probability trade. I would never share you low probability trade. Also, win rate is a bit tricky. You have good traders who have 50-60% win rate, but they have a good ratio for stop loss and take profit. So you don't actually need high win rate for your trading if you have a better ratio for reward ratio. The best traders are always characterized by cutting losers fast and compounding into good winners, and also make positions free. Okay, that's always the goal. Protect the capital in first place, make money for your stop loss, and then if the trade is going well, you can actually compound. That's what I do, and for this you need multiple accounts to trade efficiently, because as scalper you want to have free hands on your account all the time, but day traders they can enjoy pretty much big moves. And also that's why trade range is super nice, because yes, let's go to the charts now. Enough of the sea. Thank you for all your support in the group, because some of you supported the group directly, so thank you very much for that. We are like family. I know many of you, I consider you friends, and I really hope the next year is gonna be changing for you. I will make sure it's gonna happen. The thousands of trades are coming for our group, which I will be sharing. Okay, let's go to the chart. So we need to see just this, because Bitcoin from 4th of December until this moment is still in the big range. The ranges are the most profitable for your trading. Why? Because if you short top of the range and if you buy bottom of the range and you let the trade run, you will take massive, good take profit at the middle of the range at the POC, and then at the full rotation. Those are super massively profitable trades. You can share scalp it, but you must have at least one account for day trades and for things like this. This can be swings. It's from 54,000 to 52,000, 7k move. Yeah, it's crazy. You do not need high leverage for this to make good money. So Bitcoin is still in big range, and what happened over here? That's what is so important, for your trading. You must know context of the market. It's so important, we were ready to short inside 53,500 as scalpers, and also massively strong resistance over here at 57,000 to 58,000, 57,500 is big. But we didn't get it. Also, when we zoom in, you can see what happened. We arrived at the like major top of the range, and we did swing failure pattern of these highs. So people buying over here, like this drop didn't even started maybe with heavy big shorts. It started with just longs covering, okay, taking profit from the position, and you see it accelerated because you trapped longs from this area. They are now very trapped, and now the big shorts came. So you don't need to know how, like, who is doing what here. You need to take the like short over here. I did take the short after swing failure pattern confirmation. Why it's easy trade for you? Because your invalidation will be above the high. When the high is taken out again with volume, you will be closing position, because you know you might be leaving the range, okay? If it's not swing failure pattern, so you must leave like 1 to 2% stop loss for this trade if you're trading it as a range. But market made you money immediately for stop loss, so absolutely no issue for you. Okay, so very good. And I took 2 day trade shorts here. This was, yes, not long time ago, and I actually closed the really good after the stop loss money made. I closed a lot of, I think 50 or 60% position I was closing at a point of control, and now we hit another support. So I actually closed 1 day trade. It's closed for me fully here. I will show you why. And I'm still keeping 1 short from this area and in swing account in case we take out these lows without swing failure pattern and we continue to the low and to the bottom of the week. So always is like hedge for me. It is very nice from here. And now let's go over the chart. Our drop, by the way, was very violent. I was not so much scalping it. You see, I was not trading at that time. Not much levels marked. You see the velocity of move is very fast. The first time I was trading it was from this place. Look at the bounce. This is the full range POC, and session. This is anchored VWAP. This one is pretty strong. I think this one is tracking. Here it is, yeah. This actually anchored VWAP was tracking full range. Look here. So this was amazing trade. You can see the bounce. The bounce, even initial bounce, was over 1%. So pretty amazing. A big volume. It was a lot of liquidation from people who were longing inside the, you know, like the top of the range and so on. Market. Also, always you can already see the market was like going down, and it was doing higher, like lower high and lower lows, which is making you very cautious to hold longs and you look for shorts more. This was very weak. Also, this bounce was very weak. There was no immediate like bounce. But this is the area we want to watch for. Also, I think we had liquidations here, like a lot of liquidation levels from hyblock I was sharing you and so on. But this I was trading a lot. I was trading all day this channel yesterday. Also, we hit yearly VWAP yesterday. Yeah, look here, 1, 2, 3 times. I was buying all the time on this VWAP. Doesn't need to be big position. It was fun, and also I was selling at the top of the range. Just small range I was trading here. That's it, you know. Channel, pretty simple. We had some levels from Exocharts. Very simple trading yesterday. And now it's important to discuss what happened just now. I was giving you the night, like not tonight, but more than 12 hours ago. I said mark your level, traders. 46,500, 46,400. It is very strong area for high probability trade. That's what I mean. I'm sharing you only good trades. It's gonna happen next year. So the range was lost. There was also one more important post which I need to yeah, maybe I will find it. Yes, this one. This was I was posting this one after the levels. I said we will get, because yeah, Yes, this post is important to know, so you see how I actually am guiding you in bigger to context. Look at the leveraged open interest, huge. Most are longs and they are getting trapped. We are now bouncing from yearly Viva, but I think more downside is a lot more probable. We can scalp levels I shared, but you always need to be aware of bigger picture. If we do not make swing failure pattern on range lows, we will go for the 41k lows. This was bigger plan. I said that 12 hours ago, and I said that somewhere here, and you see the big downside. So prediction very correct. You can predict the market. You play with the probabilities. Yeah, you cannot know future, but you play with the probabilities. It was a lot more probable we go down because market structure is down, but also this is what we need to see. Look at it here. So after massive drop, after massively big drop, like we continue down, that's fine. The open interest is rising. It's rising pretty healthy, I would say. Those are mixed and shorts, but look here, from this point, open interest massively increasing, especially on stable coins, which is leverage trading, futures and derivatives. Massive open interest rise. Not many people shorting, but those were longing, you know, look over here. That point from this, even here it accelerated. You need to watch where is accelerating, like here and here, those regions. So from this point, a lot of people longing, and now again, clearly. Even now, as we are like dropping, the open interest is still staying very still and stable. So I would say a lot of people are trapped. Some like this, especially these two areas. If you trap these two fresh, this area, if you trap these people and go down, you will squeeze them very hard. So when we come to the range lows and we do not get swing failure pattern, we can get really fast moves to the wick and lower. There will be a lot of people squeezed out, forced out of the positions. Okay. That's why I preferred more downside, because people are getting trapped. So not much levels in this area. What we had here was just liquidity, which we will go over here. This was our range. We built a lot of liquidity under. That's why we had such a swift move, forced selling, you know, liquidations. And we had some more long-term liquidity here, so we grabbed some. You see, after the liquidity was grabbed, we are bouncing up. Okay, that's it. So, and I was sharing the levels, and now that was the plan. When we hit what we had here, we had 0.5 here from 41k low. Okay, that was the first level I was sharing to you. Then we had the medium swing failure pattern here, so also local swing failure pattern, so liquidity over here. And we had naked weekly and daily. You know, weekly and daily and naked especially, they are very powerful levels, so they even can give you multiple bounces. So, and how I was trading this one was buying over here. The bounce was 0.70%. I made good money for stop loss and some profit. And also we did swing failure pattern, the local one over here. So we all these first bulls here, we just taken out. I know some members took a stop loss here, which was, you know, unfortunate, because that's what Bitcoin do usually. He takes out first traders out. I was in the profit already. My stop loss, I had wider stop loss on one of the account. One account stop loss was hit, but as we returned above this low, I was treating it as swing failure pattern on the local level. So you enter over here after confirmation and you place stop loss behind. Also, only one account was hit stop loss. Why? Because I had actually wider stop loss behind the daily naked point of control. It's also good volume, right? That's what I was saying you for 46,500 to 46,400, very strong area. Also we have value area. This is the value area low of the total range here, so a bit wider stop loss in this case, and pretty amazing. You know, naked liquidity is gonna always protect your entries at the first touch. So look here, this is our value area low. We didn't touch it, but we came very, very close. So you are bouncing. Doesn't even have to be again on the new longs. We actually had some new longs, very nice. But those people who are shorting here top of the range are now taking profit over here. The trading range is the most easier trading ever in my eyes because of this, you know, because you know these three simple rules: VAH, POC and value area low. Super simple for you. So this trade I was treating really, really well, and I know what will be my invalidation. I know we are in strong support area, so I went long in multiple accounts and big positions, not small position this time. No way, because your risk is limited, you know. And look at the bounce, yeah. We had plenty of new longs coming actually after this rise. It will be shown in order flow. Look how we are bouncing, you know. How you treat this scalp? The bounce was amazing, you know. After 1% you should really take profit 1, but there was no sign of weakness over here, so you know, we couldn't even wait. I was taking take profit 2 at the session VWAP. You never know if we reject and rotate down again, because it was also market structure support of these immediate longs here. And now we are above VWAP, okay. Take profit 3 for me is here at this top of the range, and now I'm keeping only 10-20% of positions. One swing account has 50% position level open. And look here. Now at this point I think the market is gonna take all these highs over here, these highs here, because there is a liquidity here from the shorts. And we will go to the full range POG, and I need to plot some levels to the upside now. But yeah, this is gonna be immediate resistance. It was support 2 times, so market structure resistance over here waiting. But you can see how you can trade really well, and that's the reaction you want, you know, like fast, strong reaction. It also happens often. No, this is not unusual. We get front runs of naked point of controls, because those people are so nervous. They will not wait for market to kiss, yeah, and to kiss the exact level. They are escaping even further because they want to cut their losers. We still have some nice supports below us, so if we go do swing for a pattern here or lower, oops, we still get some nice trades here, but yeah, then we go lower, and if we rotate range fully, there is still potential to do this because so many people are leveraged long and trapped. These are swing failure patterns. We still have massive liquidity here, and it's into our golden zone, so I will be watching this area next. And if I see massive big downside without any swing failure pattern, I will not touch the Bitcoin, okay, because it will mean we might go a lot lower. And this is area where this is the weak area already under this, so we do not have so many levels here. Only what we can take the levels is from previous ranges and previous trading, but you want to see the you know, the most recent liquidity for your trading, of course. So as a scalper, very good confluence for this trade. I want to show you, how good high probability trade looks like. So order flow, this is order flow for us. We had absorptions at the bottom. They are medium. You will learn in the group how to use this properly. Medium size, they are not huge, like 10 million and plus. Medium size, also not so many shorts into support, which are usually the fuel after the after rebounds. So not many shorts to trapped here, just few millions, maybe 10 million together, so not much. But you know, as we did swing value pattern, look at the new longs coming. So I liked it, you know, when open interest started to rise. Look here, rising slowly. So medium, so order flow helpful, but it was not the major decision for me. As we know, we grabbed liquidity, another confluence for us, and also, of course, you have another confluence, which is TRDR for you. At the lowest point, so order books were looking really great. At this point we had 360 million ready on the order buy side, so pretty good. Above 300 million we know is surely strong. Order books also very helpful. By the way, very interesting, I want to show you from yesterday. Where is it? Yes, here it is. How well you can use Tradinglite. I want to check if it's that. Yes. So what made my life easier trading a bit yesterday was, this is Binance Futures, and as we found the bottom, there was very big order of 700 bitcoins placed on the marketplace, and it was supporting the market. The Binance usually places orders like 200 to 300, so but we actually place massively. This is big order, yeah, it's more than 30 million. Yeah. At one point it was like 1k. I think it was 1k over here. Yeah, because there were bitcoins behind. So 50 million order placed on Binance Futures. It's showing you someone wants to really support the market. It was not small, this was like huge. So actually this trade was also very nice for you over here. Like you held it perfectly. Look here. And also here, this was my buying entry because this was golden zone. So the scalping this range was very profitable. If you know you have such a big order on your side as well as a wall, it was real because market came to it and it was not disappearing. So you must know what is spoofing. Even here, they provided you big trade. It was already sleeping on this one. So order books trading, very important. Make sure to know. So that was your trading, and also over weekend you can see our naked POC. Look at the touch, absolutely precise, amazing, you know. Even here it was front run over here of this template is super useful. So right now I need to plot some levels to the upside. I have all the levels to the downside already because it's still more probable. Now this point of control is gonna be your resistance. This is pretty clear. Yes, look at the new longs. Also, it's still holiday, so volume is very low. Look at the London session. This is nothing, you know, 300 million, 200 million during Asia. That's really nothing. It is showing you the world, the big traders in the world out on holiday. They are not trading. It's usually from 20th of December to 5th of January. They have big holidays, so we will see. But yeah, the volume will show us when they return. It was still very weak. Yeah, so everything takes more time. It's more like weekend trading a bit. Yeah. Also, one more thing which I was pointing out in the group for the past 2 weeks, maybe in December all. We still have the massive option expiry. It's already the all-time high. I think it's the biggest option expiry in the world, I think, and it's like record. It's 5.5 billion already. Massive interest. You see the max bind price is 47,000. So, and the bears arrived a bit early because it will expire in 2 days. So I think we will see volatility. Like you know, we have a section about the options in the group, so you can learn about it. But for the max pain, which will harm the most participants in the market, is 47,000. So I think there will be battle until the expiry. We might see price very close to these levels, so they can push it down. We will see. Even above, yeah, even 50k, if we will be around 50k still, it will wreck the many longs. So yeah, 47 to 50k. Okay, so yeah, that's it. You know, I'm not going to discuss things which I'm not prepared for. This was like a more spontaneous video, but I wanted to show you this big trade. And now also, if you are in the trade, you really expect more upside, because now these shorts from this area, they're gonna be wrecked. Liquidations levels will tell you when to look for. You can see already the liquidity now is at 48,500 and higher. And also from my main charts, I just want to show, yeah, the top of the range, we also hit strong market structure weekly. It's powerful weekly. It stopped us 2 times. Okay, look at here. Actually 3 times, not 2 times. One, the small front run of it, 3 times. Crazy. Even now we stopped at some anchor V-ups as well. 20k break, anchor V-up, strong one too. And we are prepared for the downside. Many good levels to be had. I think, yeah. So that's it from me, guys. I try to not to do too long video. So really, thank you for being in the group, and I will make sure you will get, you will grow your accounts in 2022 massively with me, with many good trades. And if you are new member, a new watcher, make sure to join us and go over free course, and you can then join us at higher ranks, and you will not regret. It's gonna be the best decision of your life. Okay. In our Discord, you have many sections. As hero, you will learn all this. Yeah, a lot of advanced education, and there is also advanced trading course. Yeah, all things I use, and also expert course for TPO, market profile, and Exocharts and so on. So you will be really strong trader over the market. Too easy, you know. So yes, thank you very much for watching, and see you around. Now more regular updates for YouTube are coming, more trades and so on. See you in the group, guys. Bye bye.